Hey guys, it's Miss Dale's Reyes. Today we're solving the systems of equations using the graphing method. Our system is y equals 7x plus 1 and y equals x minus 5. Since they're both in slope-intercept form, you can start graphing them. This top equation, the y-intercept is 1 and the slope is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And then you can reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. You'll want to use a ruler to connect these points so that you can make your line as straight and accurate as possible. And my second equation, the y-intercept is negative 5. 3, 4, 5, so here it is. With a slope of 1, so up 1, right 1. And reverse it. And what you're looking for is where the lines intersect, where the lines meet. So they meet right there, and that's where the solution is. So my solution is at negative 1, negative 6. So where the lines meet is the solution to the system. Okay, next example. You can either do this one on your own and push pause and then unpause to see how I did it, or just keep watching through so you can get a little bit more guidance. So for the top equation, y-intercept is at negative 5 and the slope is 1/5, so up 1, right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1, right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And reverse it. Down 1, right 5. 1. I'm sorry, left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then connect. The next function is y-intercept is at 9. Slope is 3. 1, 2, 3, left 1. I reversed it and did a negative 3 over 1 so that it can fit on the graph. 1, 2, 3, 1. And give it one more. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 1. And the lines intersect right there. So my solution to the system is negative 5, negative 6. In this system, both equations are set up in standard form. So you're going to need to rewrite each one in slope-intercept form so that you can graph it. X minus y equals negative 3 is my first one. I'm going to solve for y. Negative y equals negative x minus 3. Divide by negative 1. Y equals x plus 3. My y-intercept is 3. My slope is 1. Second equation, x plus y equals negative 1. Solve for y. Y equals negative x minus 1 is my slope-intercept form. Y-intercept at negative 1. Slope at negative 1. So down 1, right 1. And reverse it. And the lines, they meet right here. So my solution is negative 2, 1. Okay, go ahead and try this one. Again, pause it or just keep watching for more guidance. They're in standard form, so we'll need to solve for y. You'll always want to solve for y anytime you see an equation set up in standard form. Standard form meaning that you have the x, the y, the equal sign, and then the number. You want it to be y equals so that it's graphing friendly. So I'm going to subtract 3x, so I get negative 8y equals negative 3x plus 32. Divide by negative 8. Y equals 3 over 8x minus 4. Y-intercept is at negative 4. Slope is 3, 2, 3 over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can reverse it. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next equation, 7x minus 4y equals negative 28. Solve for y. Subtract 7x. Negative 4y equals negative 7x minus 28. Divide by negative 4. Y equals 7 over 4x plus 7. So my y-intercept is at 7. Slope is 7 over 4. I'm going to need to reverse it and do a negative 7 over negative 4, so that way it will fit on my grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do it again. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it hits right there. So the solution to my system is negative 8, negative 7.